is Sisi Quadri? Sisi Quadri, whose full name is Tolani Quadri Oyebamiji, is a well-known comedy veteran Yoruba actor who gained notoriety for his performance in the December 4, 2004 film Siniya Seranko. He was a popular veteran comic actor who dominated online skit making and the Yoruba movie industry. Born to Mr. and Mrs. Oyebamiji on December 26, 1979, he was a resident of Osun State. His father intended for him to become a Muslim preacher, so he completed his elementary and secondary schooling in Ore, Ondo State, before returning to his birthplace of Osun to study Arabic and the Quran. Later, he enrolled and graduated from a fashion school in 1999, where he studied fashion design. His passion for learning allowed him to graduate from Ire Polytechnic in Osun State with a diploma. His acting career began in year 2000 when he was introduced to Toyin Olaiya, a lecturer and a mentor. His portrayal of an insulting personality in the Yoruba epic film Siniya Seranko was a significant turning point in his career. He took an extended break before traveling in the popular comic film Ebudola in 2020, co-starring with his closest buddy Funmi Awelewa, which catapulted him into spotlight. Sisi Quadri enthralls his audience with his candid demeanor and unrelenting ability to ridicule his rival in films. He was a rare breed in Nollywood, practically unmatched by any opponent. His outstanding performance in the film Ebudola allowed him to pursue further acting and content development roles, which helped him stay relevant in Nollywood. Sisi Quadri was well known for his impressive and talented acting and has acted in more than 150 films, including comedic skits. Producers and directors have always considered him for performing roles because he is a highly sought-after comedic performer. Several of his films have received millions of views on YouTube. Big Brother Ibadan, Ololade Mr. Money, Tokotaya with his best friend Funmi Awelewa, and many more are some of his most recent and successful films. Along with many other well-known content producers, he collaborated with Mr. Macaroni, Eden Victor, Wole Agba, Brother Shaggy, Pastor Remote, and many more. In addition to acting, he owned a large store with employees who worked for him, and he was an enthusiastic fashion designer. He also enjoyed MC. He was a successful businessman who balanced acting and hosting work with his fashion venture. Sisi Quadri was blessed with two boys, Azan Olamilekan Oyebamiji and Olamide Oyebamiji, and enjoy a happy marriage. Sisi Quadri was died on 1st of March 2024. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala grant in Al-Jannah to Firdaus. Ameen. Thank you for watching eyayorubaworldtv. Don't forget to like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Have a wonderful day.